Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Disney inspired makeup collaboration. And in today's video I'm creating a makeup look inspired by Donald Duck, this crazy and super funny and cute little duck, and he is like my favorite Disney character. And by the way, this is the second time that I'm doing this collaboration. My first video you can find if you click here, also the link I will be having down below, and you can watch it after you finished this video. Okay, so now let's move to the makeup. So the first thing that I want is to hydrate my face, and I will be using this facial spray from Mario Badescu. It smells heavenly. And now I'll go and use some primer, and I'm using the Milk makeup. So now I'll blend that with my fingers. And now to prime my under eye area, I'll be using this eye cream from Chanel. It is an amazing product. I can totally recommend it. And now for foundation, I will take my Nude Air from Dior, and I'm in the shade 020. I also have a review on this foundation that you can find, of course, on my channel. I have been using this foundation for a year, I think, and I am obsessed with it. It has like an almost full coverage. It's buildable. You can apply more. I mean, I could apply more now if I want, and have like a super full coverage, but I don't like to wear so much foundation. But I've already tried that, you know, to build more coverage with this foundation, and the result was still very natural. It is an amazing product. Of course, it's a bit pricey. It's definitely not, you know, like a 10 bucks foundation, but it's totally worth it. And don't forget to apply some on the neck. Okay. So now for concealer, I will be combining today two products. I have this concealer from Becca, and I'll combine it with this yellow concealer from BH Cosmetics, and it will give me a very beautiful and natural coverage on my under eye area. So this concealer, you don't want to apply too much because it's a very thick one, and it won't look so nice. Okay, and on top of that I am using the yellow corrector from BH Cosmetics, and I'll blend that using a beauty blender. And now to contour my face, I will be using the Wonder Stick from NYX Cosmetics, and with it you can highlight and contour your face, and I am using the light to a medium shade. So firstly I will use the light color to highlight the parts of my face that I want to highlight, and the darkest color I'll use to contour my face. You can obviously use a darker shade if you want, but keep in mind you have to like be a god on blending so that you don't really mess that up. And then I'll just use some here on the sides of my nose. Okay, now by using a beauty blender, I will start by blending the darkest color. And don't forget to bring, you know, the color here into your hairline so that it looks natural. And now I will set everything by using a translucent powder, and I'm having this one from NYX Cosmetics, and I will apply it with this big face brush from BH Cosmetics in the number of V1. Okay, now let's do the brows, and I will be using this brow pencil from Pretty Vulgar. Firstly, I will brush my brows, and I'm using the spoolie from this brow pencil, and by using the other end I will shape and color my brows. Okay, so now let's move to the eyes, and I will be priming my eyelids using this eyeshadow stick from Laura Mercier. It is an amazing product if you want to use it as an eyeshadow primer. It works miracles. And I will be blending that using the Real Techniques concealer brush. If you don't have like a light creamy eyeshadow or an eyeshadow primer, you can use your concealer to prime your eyelids. It will work just fine. For eyeshadow palette in today's makeup look, I will be using the Prize from NYX Cosmetics, and with a smaller fluffy eyeshadow brush like this one from BH Cosmetics in the number 8. I will take this dark blue shade and apply it on the outer and inner part of my eyelids. Now, using a flat brush like this one from BH Cosmetics in the number 7, I will take these 2 yellow shades and apply them here on the middle section of my eyelid. And the same yellow colors I'll apply on my lower lashes. Now, by taking a fluffy crease brush, I will go and grab this color and apply it into my crease and slightly buff it towards my brow bone. Now, to make these colors pop, I will go with the Galaxy Cheek Eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics, and on the top of the blue eyeshadow I will use Earth, and on the top of my yellow eyeshadow I will apply the Sun. Now, to make my eyes look bigger, I will use this eye pencil from Manhattan in the nude and apply it on my waterline. Now I will apply some false lashes, and I'm taking these ones from Eyelure in the number 101, and I will be applying as well some mascara, the falsies from Maybelline. Now, for blush, I will take this one from MAC Cosmetics, Desert Rose, and I will apply it with this cute little face brush from MAC Cosmetics. Now I will line my lips by using this lip pencil from Charlotte Tilbury, the Pillow Talk. Then for a lipstick, I will take this beautiful kind of nude, super sparkly lipstick from Revolution. It is a beautiful color. And on top of that, I will apply this lip gloss from MAC Cosmetics to make a wet lip look. Now I will finish off this look using some highlighter, and I'll take this beautiful highlighter from Becca. I am obsessed with this highlighter. It is just amazing. So I will apply here on the highest points of my cheeks, then on the tip of my nose, some here on the nose, as well on the Cupid's bow, and I will take a super small brush and I will apply some of that on the inner corners of my eyes as well. So this is my Disney inspired makeup by Donald Duck. Let me know in the comments below if you like what I have created. Also, on the description box below I will be linking the other ladies that I have done this collaboration with. And before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit that bell notification, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!